Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Language Leap, the game show that turns grammar into an adventure. I'm your host, David, and today we're diving deep into one of English's most essential tenses. Are you ready to test your skills? Whether you're watching from home or in the studio, feel free to shout out your answers or drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see who can score the highest. Joining me in the hot seat today is Marcus from Chicago.
Hi, David. Thanks for having me on the show. I've been preparing for weeks, and I think I'm ready to tackle whatever you throw at me.
I love that confidence, Marcus. Today's challenge is all about the past simple tense. We use it for actions that started and finished in the past, often with specific time markers like yesterday or last week. Don't worry if you stumble. Every mistake is a learning opportunity, and I'll break down the grammar rules for everyone watching. Are you pumped up and ready to begin?
Bring it on, David. Let's see what you've got.
Fantastic energy. Let's kick off with question number 1. Complete this sentence correctly. Last Saturday, my sister A. celebrated, B. celebrate, C. celebrating, D. celebrates her birthday party.
I'm going with A, celebrated.
Boom! That's absolutely right. Celebrated is the past form of the regular verb celebrate. We add ed for regular verbs in past simple. You're off to a flying start, Marcus. Excellent. Here comes question 2. Which of these sentences is grammatically correct? A. Did you saw the movie last night? B. Do you saw the movie last night? C. Did you see the movie last night? D. You did see the movie last night?
That would be C. Did you see the movie last night?
Perfect. You nailed it. When we form past simple questions, we use did plus the base form of the verb. So it's did you see, not did you saw. 2 for 2, Marcus. You're on fire. Question 3 coming up. Fill in the gap. The students. A. Study. B. Studies. C. Studied. D. Studying. Very hard for their exams last month.
I think it's A, study.
Ooh, not quite there, Marcus. The correct answer is C, studied. We need the past simple form here because of last month. Study is the present form, but we need past tense. But hey, we're just getting warmed up. Let's try question 4. Which time expression typically goes with past simple? A. Usually. B. At the moment. C. 3 weeks ago. D. Next Friday.
That's definitely C, 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago points to a specific time in the past, which is exactly when we use past simple. Usually goes with present simple for habits. Great recovery, Marcus. Here's question 5. Choose the correct negative form. My brother. A. Didn't go. B. Doesn't go. C. Didn't went. D. Not go. To the gym yesterday because he was sick.
I'll say A.
Outstanding. Didn't go is perfect. Remember, everyone, after didn't, we always use the base form, never the past form. So it's never didn't went. Marcus is back on track. Question 6 is waiting. What's the past form of the irregular verb think? A. Thinked. B. Thought. C. Thinking. D. Thinks.
That's B. Thought.
Absolutely correct. Think becomes thought in the past. It's one of those tricky irregular verbs that completely changes form. You're really showing your knowledge now. Let's move to question 7. Which sentence describes a completed past action? A. She writes emails every morning. B. She is writing an email right now. C. She wrote 5 emails yesterday. D. She will write emails tomorrow.
I think it's A. She writes emails every morning.
Not quite, Marcus. The correct answer is C. She wrote 5 emails yesterday. Wrote, past of write, plus yesterday shows a completed action in the past. Writes emails every morning is present simple for habits. That's exactly what past simple is for. Here comes question 8. Complete the sentence. We. A. Meet. B. Met. C. Meeting. D. Meted. Our old teacher at the mall last weekend.
It's definitely B.
Perfect. Meet becomes met in the past, another irregular verb. Notice it's not meted because irregular verbs don't follow the regular ed pattern. You're really on a roll. Question 9 is up. Which is the correct question form? A. Where you went last summer. B. Where did you went last summer? C. Where did you go last summer? D. Where do you went last summer?
I think it's B.
Close, but not quite. The correct answer is C. Where did you go last summer? Remember, with did, we use the base form go, not the past form went. It's a common mistake, so don't worry about it. Final question. Which negative form is correct? A. I didn't knew the answer. B. I don't knew the answer. C. I didn't know the answer. D. I not knew the answer.
It's C. I didn't know the answer.
Excellent. Didn't know is perfect. We use the base form know after didn't, never knew. You've got the negative pattern down perfectly. What an incredible journey, Marcus. How are you feeling about your performance?
I'm feeling great, David. Those irregular verbs really kept me on my toes, and I learned so much about when to use did versus when not to. This was such a fun way to practice grammar.
That's exactly the spirit we love to see. Remember, everyone watching, past simple is all about completed actions in the past, and practice makes perfect with those irregular verbs. Marcus, thank you for being such a wonderful contestant, and to all our viewers, keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you next time on Language Leap.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.